Hey everyone! So I came across this supplement called Audizen, and it's being marketed as a natural solution for tinnitus and other ear-related issues. They claim it can help reduce ringing, buzzing, or hissing in your ears, improve hearing, help you sleep better, calm your nerves, and even boost your focus. Sounds pretty great at first glance, right? But let's slow down a bit because there are quite a few red flags here. First, the supplement makes it sound like it can cure tinnitus completely, and that just isn't true. Tinnitus is a complex condition often tied to your nervous system and how your brain processes sound. It's not something a simple pill can magically fix. Then they throw around phrases like FDA registered facility. That can be misleading because it doesn't mean the supplement is FDA approved. In fact, the FDA doesn't approve dietary supplements like this. It's mostly a marketing tactic to make the product feel more credible. Looking at the ingredients, you'll see things like ginkgo biloba, vitamin B12, and hibiscus. While some of these are well known, the scientific evidence behind them is mixed. For instance, vitamin B12 might help if you're deficient, but if your levels are normal, it's unlikely to make a noticeable difference. And just because something is natural doesn't automatically mean it's effective. Another warning sign, this supplement isn't sold on big trustworthy sites like Amazon or Walmart, and you can't find legit user reviews. That's a huge red flag. No transparency, no reliable sellers, and no way to verify if anyone has actually tried it and seen results. Bottom line, there's no strong science backing the claims, and there's no trustworthy feedback from real people. If you're dealing with tinnitus or hearing issues, the safest and most effective approach is to talk to a doctor or audiologist. Supplements like Audizen might sound convincing online, but that doesn't mean they're actually going to work. So be cautious, do your research, and don't fall for flashy ads promising miracle fixes. Your hearing health is too important to gamble with. Happy product using.